A 73 C10 that's hard to miss on today's What Are You In For? The owner of this truck recently purchased it and he liked the way it looked, but not really the way it drove. So that's why I came here. It was powered by its original small block Chevy V8, had a 3-speed automatic transmission and kind of a flat leaf spring lowering job. So, you know, some basic driveway mods, but he really wanted to go to another level. So we called our friends at Blueprint Engines for one of their cool packages that delivers an entire engine with the transmission and the front accessory drive from fuel injection to pan to swap into this one. This Blueprint engine is a 383 cubic inch V8, full roller cam, makes 436 horsepower, over 440 foot-pounds of torque. And it comes dressed with all kinds of good parts, a billet aluminum front accessory drive, the vintage air AC compressor, and it's attached to a 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission. The whole package is also fueled by a Holley EFI system. Again, all part of the package. And perhaps the best part is the 3-year, 50,000-mile warranty. Inside, the truck already had a set of bucket seats and a console with some drink holders, an upgraded Grant steering wheel, and a tilt column. We improved the dashboard with a set of gauges from Classic Instruments and a vintage air system to keep things cool inside. But a lot of the work on this truck happened under the bed. Like I mentioned, it came in with a leaf spring drop, but we've tuned that up quite a bit with a 4-link kit with a C-notch in the frame. This kit's from CPP and it's allowed us to lower the ride height and improve the way this thing handles, all in one shot. If you've got a pickup truck like this that you want to see some mods done, or any other classic or muscle car, we're happy to chat with you about it. You can find us at V8speedshop.com. And that is what this is in for.